What chemicals can go in a septic tank? Septic tanks are crucial for managing wastewater in many homes, breaking down and treating waste through natural processes. However, introducing certain chemicals into these systems can harm the beneficial bacteria that help break down waste. Knowing which chemicals are safe and which should be avoided is essential for maintaining a healthy septic system. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Safe chemicals for septic tanks. 1. Biodegradable cleaning products. Products that are biodegradable break down quickly and have minimal impact on the septic system. Use them in moderation to prevent overloading the tank. 2. Enzyme-based drain cleaners. These cleaners use natural enzymes to clear clogs and are generally safe for septic tanks. They support the natural bacteria needed for waste breakdown. 3. Bleach. In small amounts, bleach should be used sparingly. While it can be effective for cleaning, excessive amounts can harm the bacteria in the tank. Limit its use to non-septic fixtures. 4. Ammonia. While small amounts of ammonia in cleaning products are usually safe when diluted, large quantities can be harmful. Use ammonia with caution. Chemicals to avoid. 1. Antibacterial and antiviral products. These chemicals kill beneficial bacteria in the septic tank, disrupting the system. Avoid products containing triclosan or similar agents. 2. Harsh drain cleaners. Drain cleaners with lye, sulfuric acid, or sodium hydroxide should never be used in a septic system, as they are corrosive and can damage the tank. 3. Solvents and paint thinners. These chemicals do not break down in the septic system and can contaminate groundwater. Dispose of them properly, not in the septic tank. 4. Pesticides and herbicides. Chemicals like pesticides and herbicides can harm the septic system and contaminate nearby water sources. Always dispose of them responsibly. To protect your septic system, use safe, biodegradable products and avoid harsh chemicals. Proper care ensures the longevity of your septic tank and prevents costly repairs. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.